Two more arrests today in Preston Lord's murder investigation. One is juvenile Jacob Meisner, who was previously held at the juvenile facility, and the other is Taylor Sherman. Taylor Sherman appeared in court today alongside his attorney. He is being charged with first-degree murder and kidnapping. His alleged involvement was for filming the beating of Preston that resulted in Preston's death, fleeing the scene afterwards, and colluding with the other defendants to destroy evidence and come up with a cover story. Now, why is someone who just filmed being charged with the same charges as those who actually beat Preston to death: felony, murder, and conspiracy? There were some rumors that Sherman had turned himself in, but at the hearing this morning, they said no, the warrant for his arrest and the charges come from the investigative grand jury that has issued these charges. His lawyer said he's 19, he has no criminal history, and while his charges are very serious, he shouldn't be considered as dangerous as these other kids. Can you reduce his bond from the $1 million secured bond that the state is asking for on every first-degree murder? But the judge did not elect to reduce his bond. His bond, Taylor Sherman's bond, is set at $1 million. Usually the way a secured bond works is the parents would need to come up with, let's say, 10%. The bail bondsman would issue the bond, and it would be secured with collateral, like, let's say, equity in a home. So if he is able to come up with that $1 million secured bond, he doesn't have to actually come up with $1 million. The release conditions include ankle monitoring, no contact with any of the other co-defendants. We'll have more details about Jacob Meisner later and the other charges later, but for now, that's all we have.